Hi Paul, Spencer from Prime Motorcars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my left, the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 63S AMG. Let's take a closer look. So 2021, a big year for the hand-built V8 from AMG, because for 2022 we will not be seeing that engine in any model except the S-Class. So GLE 580, GLE 63, GLS 580, GLS 63, all other AMG models not seeing a V8 for 2022. That makes this a very special, very rare vehicle at the moment. So selenite gray metallic, we have a beautiful black leather interior. This is not a night package vehicle, so you get nice satin bumper work here, that satin silver along the front lip and that front spoiler. Really a very aggressive, sporty look to the vehicle. Vertically slanted AMG grille, driver's assistance package, adaptive cruise control systems, your radar systems housed right in that star. And then coming along the side of the vehicle, we have a beautiful 22-inch black forged wheel, that multi-spoke wheel, red brake calipers, really give the car a lot of extra flash and AMG styling. Nice satin silver on the running boards along the bottom, chrome along the window frame as well. This is a sleek car, a very sporty vehicle, but still a big SUV. So it's really a great combination of supercar speed, 603 horsepower from that 4-liter bi-turbocharged V8 in the body of an SUV. Wraparound LED taillights, AMG GLE 63S badging, chrome work there in the trunk lid, and then we have that beautiful dual tip exhaust, satin silver, and a kind of machine finish along the outside of the exhaust, new for 2021 as well. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GLE, we can take a closer look at the interior. Beautiful black leather. We have a nice gray stitch in there. Dynamica suede inserts there in the seats. AMG emblems there embossed into the headrests. Beautiful. We have Dynamica suede headliner to match the inserts in the seats. Panoramic roof up top. Two big pieces of glass really open up the cabin. We have a gray oak. It's a natural grain. Open pore finish wood trim across the center console, dashboard, and door panels. Upgraded Burmeister surround sound system. Heated and ventilated seats. Power and memory seats for the driver and passenger. You'll see that ambient light trim, 64 color ambient light in the door panels, in our center console, and across our dashboard. Two 12-inch displays for our speedometer, tachometer, instrument cluster. Right side is our phone, navigation, radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all done via touchscreen. Dual zone climate control, wireless charging, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad here also for the touch screen, adjustable suspension, AMG Performance exhaust, manual driving mode, traction control, and suspension firming, all done right from this little center of buttons here. We have our gear selector here on the right, turn indicators, high beams, and wipers on the left, paddle shifters. We have phone, volume, voice control function, cruise control function. This is a driver's assistance package vehicle, so that includes adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist, as well as a lot of other options. It's a beautiful vehicle, available here for immediate sale and delivery. We are located at 137 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. We are 10 minutes from Portland International Jetport, so if you'd like to fly to Maine, pick up the vehicle and drive it home, we can pick you up at the airport, and for most states, give you a temporary plate for your travels home. If you'd like to have the vehicle delivered directly to your driveway, we can overnight paperwork, we can arrange transportation, we can get everything set up remotely so you can purchase the vehicle. If you have any other questions or videos you'd like to see, we can redo the video tour to your specific requests. We can overnight paperwork, arrange transportation, so you'll have the vehicle delivered directly to you. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.